They wanted a picture of the storm, so I went to nearby Plum Island, walked out on the beach, and there was this one figure standing by the ocean, looking out. She was drinking a beer, which you can't see in this picture, and having a smoke. And a split second after this picture was taken, a wave came in, hit the embankment below her feet, knocked the sand out, and she went sliding into the water. I was probably at least 50 feet away from her, shooting with a telephoto lens. She was in the water, either in shock or just drunk or whatever. And I thought about, okay, am I gonna try to make a rescue? I've already got the shot I need. I turned around. Within 100 feet of me, there was a lifeguard. So I continued to photograph the sequence. There was someone who was with the lifeguard who got there first. He rushed to her, was ready to reach out and grab her hand and pull her to safety. But at the last second, something stopped him.